Welcome to Phonics of Alphabets. I'm going to talk about alphabets. You are invited to watch the video and enjoy it and learn something interesting. So, here, when I show you this, immediately you can see the photo or a graph. It's just a picture. So, therefore, you'll have to keep in mind from the beginning itself. Three things you'll have to keep in mind. Number one, it is a graph or photo. Number two, it has got a name. Number three is sound. So, here, number two, A. The sound is ah, ah, ah. Next, the name is B. Sound is B, 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 B. Next is, the name is C. The sound is K, K, K. Next, the name is D. The sound is D, D, D. Now next one. The name is E. The sound is A, A, A. Next. F. The name is F. The sound is F, F, F. Look at my lips, how it touches the tongue, upper teeth. F, F, F. Now next one. The name is G. The sound is G, G, G. The name is H or H. Sound is H, 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 H. The name is I, but the sound is E, E, E. Here, this is J. Name is J, but the sound is Z, 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 Z. Now next one. K. K. Name is K, but the sound is K, K. Now next one here. Name is L, but the sound is L, 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 L. Now this one is, the name is M, M. M, 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 M. Now next one is N, N, N. Name is N, N. Now this one is, the name is O, O. But the sound is O, O, O. And the next one is, the name is P, P, but the sound is P, P, P. Now this one is, the name is Q. Q. Sound is qua. 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 Here the name is R. 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 Sound is R. 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 Name is S. S. Sound is S. 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 Now next is T, but the sound is T. 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 Now this one is, the name is U. U. Sound is ah. 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 Now next one is, the name is, as soon as you see the picture you will know it. This is a V. V. But the sound is V. 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 Now here, next one, W. The name is W, but the sound is W. 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 Now here, next, we call it X. Its name is X, but the sound is X. 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 Right? Now this one is Y. Y. The sound is Y. Y. Now this one, Z. 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 But the sound is Z. 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 So sounds interesting. So this is the root of the sounds. If somebody is interested to learn, please pay attention right from the beginning, especially sa, z, sa, z. Now next one is L, 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 M, N, S, X. I'm stressing more here because I have found some of the children, they repeatedly said this. L, they say yal, okay. I don't say this is wrong, this is right. But L is the name of the sound is L. L is standard name, L. Then next comes M, not yum. M. N. 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 Not yun. Yes, they say, but it would be better if they say S, the name S. S. X. Not yucks. X. I see both are right, but in the international standard, they say differently, that's it. So, does this sound very interesting? If it is interesting, please press the like button, subscribe button, and press the bell icon too. In the future, I will be bringing more of videos related to English language. Now next one. What I've seen the differences. People say B. B. I don't say they are wrong. I don't say they are wrong. This one. B. Okay, fine. But V. 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 These are the changes in my community, in my areas, people those who are interested to learn English sound, they have to change. It is just a matter of time. You need to be aware of the differences of the sound, bha and va, how the lips are used, how the tongues and teeth are used, That's it. And then next is persistence. Persistent, persistence, and then next is practice. Practice, practice. Thank you very much. See you next.